Okay, Bali, you check. What kind of birds are this? Yelonya. I don't know. I think so. They're yellow. Yelonya. Hey, yellow, 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 yellow. Wow, these birds are very funny. Yes, this. Are they singing, building their nets while talking? Yeah, they're all hanging out all around on this tree. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This is awesome. Oh, this is their nets. They are very unique birds. And they are very terrible for to have them in a farm. They like to eat corn, grains. Yeah, they'll destroy your farm. I got you guys today. I haven't seen them for for a while. I don't remember how long, but it's been a while.